Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Swarnika Halder's Art Gallery. I am Swarnika and today we're gonna draw a cute little rabbit. Okay guys, as you can see I have made a rectangle, kind of rectangle but a little bit square, but it is actually rectangle. This bottom part, which is the length, it is 6 centimeters, and this is the breadth, which is 5 centimeters. I just measured their middle point and then made a line through. Now let us start the drawing. Okay guys, as you can see I have made a line from here to here and then made a line from here to here, leaving a little bit of gap. It has joined here from here to here and a little bit of space and space and space. Like this, I've just made it like this and like this. Like this only. This. Now we just need to make the nose. It is like a triangle shape, like this, and then just thickening a little bit of to make the nostrils. Okay, there, like this, to make the bunny's nose. Now let's move ahead. Okay, so as you have seen, I have made this the part where whiskers will come out and also a little bit of part of the mouth. Now we just need to make the other parts, such as this and the other parts of the neck and the ears also. So let us go. So to make the ears, we just have to make a line from here to here. I will start it from here and then go ahead up to here and then here and then down, a little bit of squeezing inside, and then doing like this to go to the neck, and like this. I'm gonna make the other ear too. You can see I've just made the other ear like this and this, just a little bit of curve here, like that. Now we just have to make the neck and the eyes, and then we'll erase the extra lines. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I've erased all, as you saw. Now we just have to do the neckline part. You just have to add a little bit of fur like this, like this. Okay, like this. Just have to add the fur. Now let's do the eye. As you can see, I have left the middle point light in case so that I can see the eye point. Now the eye must be like this and this and this, like this, the eye. Let's do the shades of the eye. So to do the shade of the eye, just apply lightly all over the eye. Lightly. Now apply a darker shade, bottom to up. And then if you have cotton buds or blending stump, then get it. Got the blending stump. Now to blend it. If you don't have any of these, then you can also use tissue paper, but make sure it is wrapped around a pencil. It is blended nicely. Get the white glitter pen if you have, or white gel pen, or even whitener. Add a little bit of white touch like this on the eye. Now it's done. I'm gonna do the ears now. So as you can see, I have done the rabbit's ear fully. Now as you can see, the top is a little bit of less furry and the down one is very much furry. Now we just have to do the inside part of the ear. What do you think? It must be stay like this only? No. We have to add light shade on the ear and then blend it with the blending stump. As you can see that I have done the inside part, we just need to add a little bit of blood veins. Rabbits have blood veins on their ear. I hope you have seen that. Like this, one blood vein, the other blood vein. Some more. Now to add a little bit of darker shade, so the blood wells do not visible nicely like this only. There, like this. Now I'm gonna do the other first. Let me just start from the nose, and the other ones will be done later. I'm gonna do very less fur from here because it is safe for that. Rabbits have very less fur on the nose. Now it just gets thicker and thicker. I'm gonna do the full and then show you. Now as you can see, I have done the whole rabbit's face. Now I'm just gonna do the nose, but you must be thinking why I have left some space around the eye. Because there's white pigment on the eye instead of brown. That's why I did it. Now we're gonna do the nose, and also around the nose we're gonna also leave some white pigment left. Okay? Alright guys, I've done the nose with a little bit of dot so that the whiskers could come out. I'm just gonna do this ear off camera. Let us just do it right now. Right, so as you can see, I have done the same technique as I used in here, means lightly doing with the less fur on there. Now I'm just gonna make the whiskers lightly. Okay, the drawing has ended. Alright, but I'm gonna do the whole body only when I get 1K likes. And yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Do like, subscribe and share my channel as much as you can. And make sure that more friends and family can learn this type of beautiful drawings. See you soon in my next video. Bye.